Hello, the topic name is population ecology and it is from Campbell Biology. You also can refer here. I am going to discuss here the logistic growth model. In my last video, I have discussed about the exponential growth model. Here I am going to discuss about logistic growth models and some limiting factors which check the exponential population growth. Okay, here limiting factors and the logistic growth model. In nature, a population that is introduced a new environment or is rebounding from a catastrophic decline in numbers may grow exponentially. Okay, in nature, initially the population is growing exponentially. That means mortality rate of a species is more, and they get more resources and foods so that they will grow exponentially. Okay, yeah. And eventually, however, one or more environmental factors will limit its growth rate as the population reaches its maximum sustainable size. Okay, when population increases its sustainable size or near to the carrying capacity, then it will start to decline, and this declining factors may be environmental factor or other factors, or the competition among the species will check that exponential growth, and the population number will be limited. Okay, here environmental factors that restrict population growth are called limiting factors. The factors which restrict the exponential growth of the population or unlimited growth of population is known as limiting factor. That means they limit the growth of the populations. Okay, the logistic growth model is a description of idealized population growth because it is regulated or checked or maintained the population size in a habitat and slowed by limiting factors as population size increased. As the size increased, the regulating factor slowed down the increasing number. Logistic growth curve is initially J-shaped like exponential growth curve and gradually levels off to resemble S-shaped. The curve is resembled like S-shaped because after certain point or when it touches the carrying capacity of the habitat, it will gradually slow down the number. Okay, and the formula here is G R N upon K. You can write it like, sorry, here. Give me a moment. R N upon K minus N upon K. Okay, K is the carrying capacity. Okay, so the growth model, if we will plot a graph here like this, this is K in y-axis, that is carrying capacity, and this is time. Okay, it is the number of individual time, number of individuals. Okay, here this is the carrying capacity. Carrying capacity is the maximum limit of a space or habitat to carry the maximum number of species. After this, there is a sudden decline because it exceeds the carrying capacity of the habitat. Okay, here, 1 minute, I'm just changing the color. This is the exponential growth, yeah, which is J-shaped and exceeding carrying capacity. Okay, exponential growth. Okay, which formula is G equal to Rn. Okay, we can calculate the exponential growth by putting this formula, and here okay, this one is logistic. Initially it increases, then it declines. Okay, like this. Give me a moment. Yeah, it is S-shaped. Okay, this curve, and this is logistic growth curve. G equal to R n K minus n upon K, the formula of logistic growth model, and it is S-shaped. Yeah, this one. Okay, and it is an ideal growth model as the exponential or excess growth is limited or checked. Okay, and there are certain other factors. Sorry, yeah, some of the other factors I am going to mention here. These are called some populations have boom and bust cycle. Okay, boom bust cycle. Yeah, certain popular boom means sudden increase. Okay, and bust means sudden decline. Okay, so here some populations like some populations like insects, birds and mammals undergo dramatic fluctuations. Fluctuations in density, that is population density, with remarkable regulatory or regularity. Okay, remarkable regularity. That on a regular basis, their population fluctuates, maybe increase or maybe decrease. Okay, here boom characterized by rapid exponential growth are followed by burst, during which the population falls back back to a minimal level. Minimal level. That means every burst is followed by every boom, or every boom is followed by every burst. So graph will be like this, okay, wavy, and this one is boom, and this one is burst. Okay, if we plot graph like this, okay, boom burst of population. Examples: certain insects, lizards, and we can lynx, snow hare. One example, because lynx is the predator. Lynx is the predator, and snow hare is prey. When the population of snow hare is more, then population of lynx will automatically more. When the population of the snow hare is gradually decreased, the predator population is automatically decreased due to lack of food. Okay, this is the boom bust of population here. I think it's all clear. Sorry, this is okay. Yeah, I hope it is all clear. Thank you for watching. Bye.